Hey guys, just showing the results of jacking and raising up this basement ceiling. We finished. We just got to do I don't know, a couple little things. But tomorrow we're gonna get out the transit and flatten this thing out. If there's any little spots we got to shim, we can just shim underneath the individual floor joists. But that's what it looks all stacked up and laminated urethane glued screw. Those are 4-inch number 10 screws. So basically if you know block, it's not very good in laterally because it's just masonry, 3/8 masonry mortar joint trying to hold it together with the force of, you know, not too much really pushes on it, honestly, except for earthquakes or some really high winds or if waves ever came hit it. That would definitely push it. But so this lamination of these 2x8s that we had put down there really gave this wall a strong lateral connection as far as on top of the block. 'Cause now we're going to tie into the block, but that block wall, you could just wobble it with nothing on it, when everything's tied in together. It's all put together. It's making a very strong detail at the top of that block wall. So not only did it give us a height, brought that ceiling up. Now I think it was 7.4, 7.5. But it created a strength to this block wall it never had before. So anyways, then we padded these piers that they had on the beams. This gets a wall down here, by the way, anyways, to give it all, distributes that load more evenly between just these piers. And then some of these windows we're going to block in and relocate, make smaller dimensions, and some of the windows are going to become doorways, and some doorways are getting blocked back in. So this beam up at the top is doing just more than lifting the floor up. It's actually creating strength to those block walls, which really ain't that strong, honestly, in a lateral direction. They are compressive going down. Concrete will hold some weight going straight down on it, but anything trying to push it from side to side, and you can see movement over the course of the years, this cracking, because it's block. You could push that over if you really wanted to. But this nice laminated beam, now we have a 6-inch thick by almost 8 inches wide beam. See, you can see. Now we were doing some other things too. We had some 5,000 pound mix of concrete we were pouring down the wells in our point loads. So we have point loads. These are the columns that hold up the bridge, this end. So we filled the cores in this location here, and we filled all the cores in this location here, all the way down to the footing. And we'll do the same in the front. We have a few point loads coming down in the front. So, but even though that's going to span across the weight that's going to be a point load on it, we'll still fill some cores in that area just to give it some strength, extra strength. And then tomorrow what we'll do is we got to get some 2x10s, rip them down to the full 8 inches, and then we're going to level the deck up, toe screw off all the floor joists, and then reapply the new rim back on there. Make sure the floor is square. We're going to check the dimensioning of the house, make sure everything's square and parallel, perpendicular, and then we're going to put this floor back together, and then we're going to infill where the old staircase was. We got to infill here and hang new floor joists in this area. So basically we're just tidying up the floor and getting it ready to become a platform that we can build from. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So anyways, just an update, guys. If you're curious how that came out, that's what it ended up looking like right there. We still have our jacks in case we got to fine tune with the transit. So That's it, guys. Till the next one.